Alright, so I had this power bank for 3 months now, and it's the Go4Pwr 10,000 milliamp slim power bank. This is very affordable, and it has a nice pattern to it. It's not cloth, it's made out of plastic. Very durable, very small. It has 2 USB ports. One is labeled right here. This one is a 1 milliamp, and this is a 2.4 milliamp. This is a Type-C charging, and it also has a button to indicate it's about 75% charged. It also has another charging, micro USB, and it has smart outlets. So once it's finished, it will stop charging. Yeah, it's a very overall great product, very slim. It charges in about 4 hours or less with Type-C. If you don't have a Type-C, then I highly recommend you get it because it's very fast, very good at charging. Yeah, it charges at a 5 volt or 2.1 amps when you're charging it, and then add the output. Like I said, is a 1 amp and a 2.1 amp. I accidentally said 2.4, but it's 2.1. The size is 136 by 68 inches or millimeters. Has a lithium ion polymer cell. It weighs 215 grams. Yeah, it's very nice. It has 1 year warranty, and it retails for less than $20. I think it's $12.99, I believe. I'll have a link in the description for you to buy it. Right now I'm using their product information right here, and it says you can use it up to 300 cycles. So basically you could use it 300 times before it breaks. But if it breaks before that, there is 12 months warranty, so that's good. It's very nice. It's very slim. Like I said, it's very small, compact. I can compare it to this remote here for RGB lights. They're very small. Very, very small. Very nice too. So hopefully you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up if you do. See you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.